James Young, Mark 6. We're now fitting the inner panels which are fitted to the radiator. The radiator is a structural item. Without the radiator, the side panels will just wobble about. So we're fitting the side panels on. Just cleaning up the quarter BSF screws, set screws at the moment. We fitted the steel liner for the front wing. We're trial fitting the front wing at the moment. This is the front wing here. And the reason we're doing that is because we're hanging the passenger side door, and we want to make sure that the door lines up with the wing at the front. This door has a tendency to drop, and it's been dropping about 5 millimeters every time we fit it, and then we get it in the correct place. We take away the supports, and it seems to want to drop back to its original position. It may be the front of the car has dropped at some stage, because we found that one of the front body mounts had cracked, the one that holds the bulkhead onto the front chassis member. We've replaced all the body mounts now, so the body should be level. This shows the area of the bulkhead we've cut away to expose the hinge plate. The hinge actually bolts through the left-hand steel plate using a BSF threaded plate. You can just see the hinge projecting through the side plate. The side plate continues up the A-post, so it's important that for the structural continuity that this is securely screwed on. They've actually cut a hole to allow the hinge to project out through this plate, basically to be able to pull the door out as far as possible. The clearances are very, very tight, so we've really got to make sure that everything's in its correct position. So just coming around to the front of the car again, we've got these flitch plates which go between the radiator and the side panels. They also project out, and they hold the chrome radiator. Colin's just fitting a few bolts in to hold the side plates on.